Welcome to All About Mars Space. In today's video, you're about to uncover a mind-blowing secret, one that's never been shown before, and something you've probably never even imagined. What you're about to witness could completely change your way of thinking, so make sure to watch till the very end, because the final truth will be revealed, a truth that may have been hidden for centuries. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. In the vast, silent wilderness of Mars, where the wind sculpts ancient sand dunes and time seems frozen, a single image has ignited the imagination of Earth's curious minds. Captured by NASA's Mars rover, this image shows something extraordinary, a rock formation that appears far from ordinary. In the center of the frame, encircled in red, lies a vertical structure with a peculiar feature. Running down its center is a row of small, round, golden-like nodes, eerily resembling a metallic chain embedded in stone. Is this a product of geology, or could it be something more? A remnant of ancient technology? A fossil of a long-forgotten Martian species? Or is it simply nature's way of playing with our perception? Let's dive deep into the possibilities and scientific intrigue behind this mysterious formation on Mars. The image was taken by one of NASA's rovers exploring the Martian terrain. At first glance, it looked like any other Martian photo, dusty, barren, with scattered rocks and reddish sand. But what caught the attention of observers was this uniquely shaped rock with an embedded structure that didn't seem natural. When NASA released this photo publicly, amateur astronomers and UFO enthusiasts zoomed in, and what they saw was startling: a nearly symmetrical formation, as if something had been carefully designed and placed into the rock. The chain-like structure was not just aligned, it was organized, almost mechanical. Its uniform shape and spacing set it apart from the randomness of surrounding rocks. This was not a typical geological coincidence. It begged for deeper investigation. To understand what this might be, we must first consider the geological history of Mars. For billions of years, Mars has undergone drastic changes: volcanic eruptions, meteorite impacts, erosion from ancient water flows, and dust storms strong enough to cover the planet. Over time, these forces have shaped bizarre and unique rock formations. Some scientists believe the chain in this image could be a result of differential erosion. In this process, softer materials wear away faster than harder ones, sometimes leaving patterns that resemble artificial structures. Others argue it might be a vein of mineral deposits that resisted erosion. Just like quartz veins on Earth, minerals like hematite, silica, or even iron can form narrow ridges or beads that stand out in rock formations. But even with these explanations, the symmetry and spacing of this particular feature continue to puzzle scientists and spark public debate. Where science seeks natural explanations, others turn toward the extraordinary. Many UFO researchers and alien theorists see this formation as potential evidence of ancient intelligent life on Mars. The idea that a chain-like object could be embedded in stone suggests it may have been part of some machine or tool, fossilized over millennia. Could Mars have once supported a civilization? One that built structures, machines, or even left behind tools now petrified in time? The chain could be interpreted as a fragment of Martian machinery, a symbolic artifact like jewelry or decoration, part of a buried skeleton or fossilized creature. Though these theories may sound far-fetched, they raise important questions. Why does this structure look so organized? Why does it resemble something man-made? These are not easy questions to dismiss. Before we jump to conclusions, let's explore a concept known as pareidolia. This psychological phenomenon occurs when our brains recognize familiar patterns, especially faces or objects, in unrelated things, like seeing animals in clouds or faces on the moon. Pareidolia often explains why people see artificial shapes in random formations. NASA has addressed pareidolia many times. Remember the face on Mars? What looked like a humanoid face in the 1976 Viking image turned out to be just a hill with shadows. High-resolution images later debunked the illusion. Every mysterious image from Mars pushes us to question more, to build better technology, and to send more advanced missions. The Perseverance rover, for instance, is already collecting rock samples that will be returned to Earth for analysis in the next decade. If something like this chain-like feature were found in a sample under a microscope, it could unlock secrets about Mars's past, whether it had life or just fascinating geology. Moreover, private space companies like SpaceX are already planning for human missions to Mars. One day, astronauts may stand where this image was taken, dig around it, and find answers we can't yet imagine. Take a moment to look at this image. Captured by a Mars rover, this is not an artist's impression, nor a simulation. This is real. These are Martian rocks, some flat and layered, others sharp and angular. Their formations tell stories older than human civilization itself. Formed over billions of years, these rocks have weathered dust storms, meteorite impacts, and the cold emptiness of space. Boulder in the center draws your attention immediately. Its pale, almost chalk-like top hints at mineral presence, possibly sulfate or clay, indicating past interactions with water. This is not just a rock. It's evidence. It's a witness to Mars's changing climate, its lost rivers, and perhaps its lost life. In the background, we see rolling Martian hills, softly silhouetted against a peach-tinted sky. The sky here isn't blue. It's tinted with fine dust particles suspended in the thin carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere. The serenity here is deceptive. This land once roared with flowing rivers, wind-blasted dunes, and volcanic fury. Now shift your gaze to this scene. A hill rises gently, scattered with dark rocks. Each stone seems casually placed, yet each one is part of a larger geological puzzle. The terrain is more barren here, the soil finer, as if it's been sifted over time by wind and microerosion. This region may have once been an ancient floodplain or the remnants of a dried lakebed. The distribution of pebbles and their rounded shapes suggests that water may have once moved with force through this landscape. NASA scientists believe many such regions might still preserve signs of microbial life trapped in subsurface ice. The real magic lies in what you cannot see with the naked eye. Instruments on board rovers like Perseverance and Curiosity detect traces of carbon, hydrogen, and other organic molecules embedded in the surface. Mars isn't just a dead rock, it's a fossilized ecosystem waiting to be understood. With every image like this, the red planet slowly reveals its diary, page by page, stone by stone. Thanks for watching All About Mars Space. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Subscribe for more amazing facts about Mars and space. See you soon.